Alright you guys, we are back with another super fun crystal haul, and I have a brand new shop to introduce you to, so let's jump in and get started. Okay, so the first shop I'm gonna be sharing with you is Lilac Road Crystals, and the shop owner Erica is actually a part of my Patreon and has been a longtime subscriber of my YouTube channel, so I'm so excited to share these pieces with you. I have two separate orders from her, so let's jump in and open the first order. How pretty is it when you first open the package? Oh my gosh, I love the attention to detail. So here is her business card, and on the back is all of her social media information. Go ahead and give her a follow. And she left me a super nice note on the back. Oh my gosh, how pretty is the packaging? This totally makes me want to step up my packaging game. So pretty, especially with her brand name, Lilac Road Crystals. And I love this. She gives a little card in your package. This one really resonates with me this week, even though I probably ordered this maybe 3 or 4 months ago, but this card really resonates. I love that. And she also gave me this gorgeous little crystal confetti. There's a green flower agate tumble and a rose quartz chunk. Those are the freebies and they're so pretty. And then the little confetti in there as well. You guys, the crystal's just under here, so let's go ahead and open it on up. Oh my gosh, you guys, this piece is so pretty and unique. Let me show you what it looks like up close. Okay, you guys, look at how freaking cool this is. So this is pink mangano calcite in a cubic formation, but it also has a pyrite on it. I think the black is also maybe hematite, but how gorgeous is that? She had a small collection of these. I'm not sure if they're still available because I did buy this quite a while ago, but look at how beautiful. Anytime I see pink minerals with pyrite, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need that. And this one spoke to me so much because of its cubic formation. How cool is that? Oh my god, this piece is just so elegant and it looks so beautiful. Ah, I love it. And I did get another piece from her shop, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. Another gorgeous packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this piece. And we do get another adorable little set of freebies. I'm so excited to open these. Okay, you guys, this has a really special piece inside, so let's go ahead and open her on up. Okay, you guys, this is the piece I got, and I'm gonna show you up close because you can't really tell what it is, but it is an aura piece of genuine selenite. It is so freaking cool. This is what the piece looks like. I am getting a little bit reflection from my ring light, but how cool is that? I absolutely love it, and I want to put all of my aura crystals on top of here so they can charge. Selenite is so good for cleansing and charging. I think that'll make such a gorgeous display. I'll have to post a video when I get it all set up, but super unique piece, and this is a very nice size piece, and it looks amazing with the aura on it. So go ahead and give Erica a follow over at Lilac Road Crystals, and let's move on to the next shop. So next we got a big box from Chakra Gem Jewels, and there's a huge piece of Himalayan quartz in here, so let's go ahead and open it on up. So it comes with a little card and a little business card and a little cute note. Thank you so much, Felicia. There are lots of gorgeous crystal babies in here, so let's free them and get them unboxed. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start with this one. It feels kind of heavy, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. Ooh, this one is so pretty. So this is a gorgeous pink amethyst piece, and let me show you what it looks like up close. Look at how stunning she is. Oh my gosh, she's so quartzy all through here. I absolutely love that about this piece. It just makes it so sparkly. Then she's got the pink amethyst on the back. This piece is so special. I absolutely love it. The polish is immaculate. I love pink amethyst towers. I have so many from Felicia, and I think she has a big pink amethyst party coming at the end of the month, so you can snag some brand new pink amethyst pieces from her there. So next we're gonna open this one. This is from both Felicia and Edward, so let's see what's inside. Oh wow, look at this piece. This is a, look at the luster on that. This is a gorgeous, high quality, high altitude Himalayan quartz piece from India, and look at the clarity on that. These are some of the clearest crystals that you can find out of the Himalayas, but oh, look at the striations on that. That just shows it's not polished. And then there's gorgeous green chlorite here as well. This is such a special piece. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one. And I believe this one was a gift, and it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. The next piece is this little itty bitty garden quartz, and this is another high altitude piece from India in the Himalayas. But look at how special that is. Wow, look at the gorgeous like lime green garden quartz. And I believe the yellow is potentially iron, but I love the yellow. I think it adds a lot of personality to this little piece, and it just stands like that. It is so darling, and look at those little itty bitty quartz points. Such a stunning piece. Oh my gosh, I love this little mini. Then we have another one. This one says gift. So let's open up the little gift. So these are the two little gorgeous points. These are actually double terminated points that were in the gift, and they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love them. These are both Himalayan quartz, I believe. You can totally correct me if I'm wrong. They kind of look like Herkimer diamonds too, but they're absolutely gorgeous. This one has some inclusions, maybe some carbon inclusions, and this one has gorgeous etching, and they're both naturally double terminated, and I am a big fan of double terminated pieces. These are so adorable. I love these so much. All right, let's move on to the super large piece. Okay, you guys, so this is the big statement piece I got, I believe it's in here. So let's go ahead and open her on up. Yes, you guys, this is the big statement piece. I'm so excited to show you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I had to look at it first. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is the gorgeous garden quartz Himalayan piece, technically chlorite in quartz, that I got from Felicia, and it's a little bit smoky. Look at that luster. So these are completely unpolished, and the quartz is very high quality because it's that high altitude Himalayan quartz. Absolutely beautiful. And then I believe it's self-healed right here. There isn't a bad angle on this baby. Look at that luster. Oh my god. And I love how like smoky it is right here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like a dream piece. Definitely a statement piece. This was on the more expensive side, but it was 1,000,000% worth it. Oh, I absolutely love it. You could honestly just stare in it all day. There's so much to look at, so much to see. These high altitude Himalayan pieces have the best energy. Just so soothing and just like a powerful piece. Can't stop looking at it. Such a gorgeous piece. Thank you so much, Felicia. You can find her over on Instagram at Chakra Gem Jewels. I will link her Instagram down below. She goes live a couple times a week, and she does have that big pink amethyst party, and she does still have a lot of this material available. So feel free to DM her if you're looking for a piece like this one. And I do have a few other pieces I want to show you guys from when I went to the Minnesota Gem Show in the fall. I was never able to share them on my channel, so I wanted to share them here. These pieces will most likely be available for sale. I'm going to try to get them listed by the time this video goes live, but let me share those super cool pieces I got with you. So one of the first pieces I got is this black egg geode, and I thought this was amazingly cool. And it closes like this, so it was one piece, and it's actually black on the outside too. But how often have you guys seen a black agate? I thought this was so unique and I had to pick it up. I will be listing this one for sale. I can't remember honestly where this came from. I want to say it came from somewhere in Europe, but it was from a collection. So such a cool piece. If you don't know, most of the ocean jasper on the market isn't actually authentic. It's sea jasper. So these are actually ocean jasper pieces. They are not 8th vein. I need to look up what vein these are, but they are super cool and unique. The orbs are amazing. Like, look at that one. And they're in these beautiful pastel colors. And I did get one more piece, so let me show you that one. So this is the other ocean jasper piece I got. And I do believe this one is actually 8th vein. And it's completely raw on the back, so you can kind of see the tube formations that form the orb. But look at how cool that piece is. I absolutely love this one. Did pick up some super cool ibis jasper pieces. These were really nicely priced at the gem show, and they have really gorgeous coloring. So I will be listing these pieces. Some of them do have quartz and druzy in them, but they are so cool. I love ibis jasper. It's from Madagascar, and it's a little bit hard to get your hands on, so I'm so excited to make these available. And this is the other ibis jasper piece I got. Again, so freaking cool. Really gorgeous patterning and markings on this piece, and the color is really insane. So super excited to list these. Let me know if you have any questions on these babies in the comment section down below. Make sure to go and follow Lilac Road Crystals over on Instagram and Chakra Gem Jewels if you don't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite piece that I showed today. And if you watched all the way to the end, make sure to leave me a crystal ball emoji so I know that you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on the next one.